Welcome to the Weather Center. Now, comparatively speaking, the cold front approaching the south coast at the moment is significantly weaker than the series of cold fronts that bombarded the country this past weekend. It will nonetheless bring us chances of rain overnight from Cape Town to George as well as Port Elizabeth. Unaffected by this cold front across the northern half, just clear skies. And you know what that means this time of year. Cold temperatures dropping below freezing for many locations, especially across the Free State. Here's a look into the next 24 hours with our Futurecast map. That's the cold front I drew on the satellite a moment ago. Shading of white indicating cloud cover. Of course, that coloring of green and yellow is rainfall. We do have chances of precipitation from George to PE, as well as the Richards Bay coast, but sunny skies over the central interior, including Bloemfontein, Pretoria, and Johannesburg, with partly cloudy conditions expected near the mother city. So let's get right to your forecast in detail. We'll leave in up to a 20% chance of light rain from Richards Bay to the Mozambique border. Otherwise, all other locations throughout KwaZulu-Natal should stay dry. Temperatures will be warm near the coast, slightly cooler as you travel inland near Pietermaritzburg. East London, partly cloudy, 20 degrees, but we included a chance of rain from Port Alfred to Port Elizabeth. And by the way, we do have a breezy Wednesday afternoon predicted across this region. Chances of showers for Grahamstown, but the forecast stays sunny and dry from Beaufort West to Graaff-Reinet. Rain showers possible along the south coast, although as we enter the greater Cape Town region, your forecast stays dry, 19 degrees for both the mother city as well as Longabon. Reaching the lower 20s near the west coast, slightly cooler for the inland communities. Springbok at 16 will drop to freezing from Uppington to Prieska, but below freezing near Colesberg, Bloemfontein, Kimberley as well as Bethlehem. As we travel towards the northwest province, no rainfall in sight for the middle of your work week. Temperatures nearing the upper teens and lower 20s. We're expecting fine and dry weather throughout the entire Limpopo province. Polokwane topping 27, Tanin in the upper 20s as well. 30 degrees for Palabora, Skukuza at 31. Perhaps an evening light raindrop or drizzle near Mbombela. Otherwise, the Highveld from Mpumalanga will stay sunny and dry this Wednesday. 24 degrees near Johannesburg, unaffected by our cold fronts, just sunny skies. Temperatures overnight dropping into the single digits, but will rebound to 26 near Pretoria. Here's our breezy weather for Port Elizabeth in a west to southwesterly direction. More the same along the Durban and Richards Bay coast. Extended outlook shows sunshine over the western two-thirds, but small chance of rain near Mbombela. By Friday, some temperature recovery near the southwestern Cape. 20 degrees for both Cape Town and George. That's all from me. Enjoy the rest of your night.
News that moves. eNCA.com.